What's going on, y'all? So I'm about to shave my head because as you can see, I am long overdue. And then after that, I'm gonna try this scalp line called Crown. It's made by a buddy sister of mine who has a scalp care, hair care, skin care line called Honey Natu-raw. So I'm really excited, and I'm gonna bring you along the ride as I do so. So let's get started. I know there's a lot of women out there who want to shave their heads, but they are so scared. I was once afraid, but after seeing other bald ladies do it all the time, I was like, what is there to be afraid of? It's just hair at the end of the day. So, I need to get it to you. It's just hair. It's just hair. Literally, that's all it is. You know, it's not really all that hard. It's really, really easy, y'all. Especially if you're going like super duper low. Like if you gotta get a fade and a line up and a Caesar cut and designs and stuff. I don't know if I can help you on that. But if you're just going low and you want it all off, girl, grab those clippers, grab those razor blades, whatever it is that you like to have used on your scalp, and get the cut. So now it's time to try these products out. Now listen, I think for everyone it's different. Some people may do these things before they shave, depending on what you use. I use clippers, so after I cut all my hair off, then I like to shampoo, condition, if I decide to condition, polish, exfoliate, add oil, whatever it is you want to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shampoo my scalp with this Crown shampoo. And it is made with organic liquid Castile soap, organic lavender infused sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, vegetable glycerin, Jamaican black castor oil, tea tree, peppermint, and I don't know how to pronounce that. Is it bergamot? Essential oils. So let's get to it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Crown polisher, and it's made with organic oats, brown sugar, lavender infused sunflower oil, carrot seed oil, is this geranium essential oil, and vitamin E. And basically after you shampoo, cleanse the scalp, then you're going to use these oats, these awesome oats, and you're going to polish your scalp. Now you can use this on, the great thing about this stuff is that it's very light. You can use it every day. That's how light it is. And you can use it on your head and on your face. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to kind of get it going. And then rub it on my scalp and on my face. And it smells so good. I love how soft and smooth my skin feels. Y'all see how my hands just glide? Ooh, ooh, yes. That's an amazing product. A polisher for the scalp and the face. Gently removes the dirt, the oil, all that builds up while adding moisture into your skin and making it soft and smooth. That's an amazing product to have. Something I actually never heard of. I didn't even know this thing exists. I don't even know if there's people out there who create polishes for the scalp that can also be used on the face. So Miss Dominique, you're on to something, honey. You're definitely on to something with that polisher. So now you want to keep that same towel that you used, run it under some super hot water, rinse the water out, and use that steam, because what you're going to do is you're going to apply this towel to your head, open those pores up, and then you're going to add the last thing, which is the crown oil. I think I lost the ingredients for the crown oil, so my bad, y'all. I can't find it. Let me see. I think this is it right here. Is this it? Okay. So, for this, it is sunflower oil, flowers of hibiscus, lavender, chamomile, black seed oil, avocado oil, pomegranate oil, vitamin E oil, geranium, frankincense, rosemary. Is this capaba? I don't know how to pronounce that. And tea tree essential oils, and you just put about 4 or 5 drops in your hand. After you apply that hot towel and you massage it into your scalp. Ooh, this is hot. Oh, that feels so good. Okay. Sit that there. And you only need a little bit. I'm gonna do like 4 drops. It ain't like I got a huge head and need a whole lot. Rub it in. And rub it into the scalp. Massage it into the scalp. It smells so good, y'all. A little goes a long way. I love how this is not greasy, because you know, we bodies, we don't really like a super greasy head. I mean, some of us like our bodies to shine. I don't mind it to shine, but some don't like that. And I like how this doesn't add a whole bunch of shine to it. It's moisturizing. It smells good. A man or a woman could use it. It won't overpower any other scents. Or perfume or anything that you want to apply to your body or to your head. Because I like to spray perfume in my head, y'all. I just feel like it lingers longer when I put it in my scalp. And then you're all done. I like that. I love the products. And I would definitely recommend them to every single body out there. So y'all go check her out. Her name is Dominique. Her company is called Honey Natu-raw. And her scalp line is called Crown. Thank y'all for watching.